Hey everyone, Stancomplect is broadcasting. We are continuing the video about carbide cutters from HD Woodworking Tools. Today we will talk about the range of CL-011 cutters. This is a coated carbide compression cutter for cutting material in one pass. Let's take a look at how a compression cutter operates. The two opposing coils are used to draw the mild material toward the center of the cutter and away from the cutting zone. This results in an unrivaled cutting quality. The CL-011 cutter range is best suited for cutting laminated board material. The cutters are available with a working section height of 20 mm and diameters of 6 and 8 mm. The small diameters and durability of the cutter make it possible to cut the material in one pass, which makes it economically feasible for your production. Thank you for watching. For more information, availability, and price, please contact our specialists or visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a new video. See you online!